Online registration of Cyber Café was launched in the district by Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District, Shri Garrett LNS Dykes on 12 November 2020 in a conference room DC office. Speaking at the program, Deputy Commissioner Garrett LNS Dykes said the Cyber Café's online registration has been launched with a view to regulate the Cyber Café and combat cyber crimes in the district. He urged all Cyber Café to apply for registration latest by 31st December 2020 and to abide by the acts and regulations of Meghalaya Cyber Café's Rule 2012. He informed that the certificate issuing authority in West Jaintia Hills District is the Deputy Commissioner, Joai. Srimati Ida Rambai, District Informatics Officer, in her keynote address, said that West Jaintia Hills District is the first district to have launched the project, and by launching this, it will help to monitor and keep check of all the cyber cafes in the district. The welcome address was delivered by Srimati Priyanka Zolin Maulong, District Manager, Informatic Technology and Communication Department, Joai, and the vote of thanks was offered by Shri Mark A. Chalam, EAC. Meanwhile, the Deputy Commissioner has also issued a public notice directing all cyber cafes owners operating in the entire jurisdiction of the district to apply for registration under Rule 3 of Meghalaya Cyber Café Rules 2012 of IT Act 2000 and IT Amendment Act 2008 at the following website: www.meghalaya.gov.in/mecportal/edistrict or www.megedistricts.gov.in. Cyber Café owners or proprietors failing to register shall be liable for penalties under Section 43, 43A, 44 and 45 of the IT Act 2002 and IT Amendment Act 2008 with effect from 1st January 2021.
The Act is there, and it is our responsibility to see that while we are using internet, we also abide by the Act's rules and regulation.